Or a first responder on the front lines of the pandemic becomes a victim. An EMT has lost his month-long fight against COVID-19. He was 32 years old, right in the age range that's seeing a disturbing surge in coronavirus cases.
That's right, and today the family of Aldo Iniguez is mourning. KCAL 9's Jasmine Veal has more on the man who spent his life helping others in need.
It is not known exactly how Aldo Iniguez contracted the coronavirus, but he sometimes worked right out of this station. And he is being remembered as a man who was great at his job and loved by so many.
Outside the care ambulance facility in Orange, flags are at half staff for EMT Aldo Iniguez, who died a week ago after a month-long battle with coronavirus.
He worked in our Altadena station. He was known by his peers as a guy who just loved working for care ambulance, loved working in EMS.
His co-workers, Brendan Wiley and Justin Wall, will be wearing these black mourning bands over their badges for the rest of the month.
Whenever we'd come across him, he was extremely nice, always in a good mood. He was very approachable. He was just a good guy. He just loved doing this job.
Wall was hired on at the same time as Iniguez in 2013. The care ambulance service posted this message on social media announcing his death with deep sadness. They said family members told them he never gave up and he fought fiercely up until the last minute.
We all hear about this COVID and how we're supposed to attack it, how we're supposed to treat it, how we're supposed to deal with the public as well, and then it hits one of us.
Iniguez is among the dozens of healthcare workers on the front lines in LA County who have lost their lives to the virus. Care Ambulance said its positivity rate is lower than the general population's. On Monday, the county said 78 healthcare workers have died so far from coronavirus. Iniguez was just 32 years old.
It's an invisible threat right now.
A GoFundMe page has been set up to raise money for his family, saying he made the ultimate sacrifice.
The International Association of EMTs and Paramedics said that his death marks the union's first death from COVID-19. In Pasadena, Jasmine Veal, KCAL 9 News.